Today we are in Jaipur and we're about to enter the Pink City, and as you can see here, the gate, it's absolutely mayhem. See everyone trying to enter this little entrance here. So we'll take a walk through and show you just what's going on in the Pink City. Walk here. Go, 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 go. The Sai is scared of the snake. I'm not going to give anyone money to show me a snake, that's for sure.
What is this one?
I don't know what that is.
It looks like poop.
Yeah, it's like a poop bracelet, necklace. We'll walk straight. But just look at this city. So you got to try not to get run over. Hello.
Oh, my noses are so many spikes.
So here seems to be where you can get a key. So if you need a key cut in Jaipur, just come to the middle of the roundabout. You can get your key cut. It's an easy place to remember, right in the middle of the roundabout. So one of the locals has told us to check this place out. You can go up here. Yeah, walk through here to the market and can actually go to the rooftop and take a nice photo. So let's go see how it looks. He said walk to the end of here and take a right.
Where you want to go?
You want to go to the...
From here.
Okay.
He's so kind.
We're going to the roof. The Indian people are so friendly. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
It's a nice place to see the view and nice local market of silver.
All right, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. So James Galaxy.
This is local market for jewelry, bangles.
Okay.
Silver? Silver here.
Oh, yeah.
We want to go
What
to
you
the
looking?
roof first?
View, you go this way.
Yes. Okay. We'll go there later. To the front. So they're all very helpful. We don't know if we're in someone's house or what. Smooth guy. You can come up here and get a nice view. Hello.
Here you see our beautiful Jaipur.
Okay, thank you.
Jaipur surrounded by the hills.
Got a nice view.
We call Aravali Hills.
What's it called?
Aravali.
Okay, thank you.
I show you more clear. Come. More up and more clear.
It's going to take us to a higher point. So somehow we ended up walking up to the top of these buildings, but it's all good. It was part of the adventure. Wow, look at the view up here.
Let you see our beautiful Jaipur.
Tiger Falls. How you pronounce it? Like another name, like
Nahargarh.
Nalaka.
Nahargarh.
Nahalaka.
That's the one we went to yesterday.
Yeah, we went to yesterday.
We've been to this one. Yeah. No, tomorrow we'll go to Amber. That's Amber? Okay.
Here, Monkey Temple on the hill. Beautiful place.
Monkey Temple we will visit as well.
This is the city palace.
Okay.
The yellow stair is observatory. The red building just there, it's Palace of the Wind.
Beautiful.
Palace of the Wind.
Wind Palace. Earlier time, this building has many windows. So the Maharaja has made, because before in 16th century women are not allowed to go outside. They always leave covered. So they make this place building. So when the Maharaja procession can go, they can see the procession through the window. Second, it's called Summer Palace, Wind Palace.
Beautiful.
In the summer very hot, so they can sit, many nice wind coming.
Maharaja is the king, right?
King.
They use the same word in Thailand.
Okay.
Maharaja is mean king.
You have a king, yes. You're
Yeah,
from
yeah.
Thailand?
Yeah, Thailand.
Very nice place.
Some word like Piccanet God, we also use the same word. So maybe like some of Thai word are borrowed from India.
Now it's lunch time, but normally we are doing cutting and polishing the gems here.
Okay, they're cutting the stones here.
That's factory.
Is that for your shop?
No, it's our factory. Shop is
Okay.
downstairs.
But this is where you make, you cut
Yes.
it and polish it.
Yeah.
So we're going to go have a look at his shop now.
It's our shop. Also recommended by the French guidebook.
Okay, so this is the man's shop. What's your name, sir?
Rama.
Rama. So
This is our shop. We are doing all the stones, getting a rough like that on the different stone, and then after we do the cutting and polishing our in main factory, then we make like this, cutting and polishing all the semi-precious and precious stones. Then we have a precious section here like ruby, sapphire and emerald. We have 4 precious stones: ruby, emerald, sapphire and diamond, and the rest is semi-precious.
Beautiful.
So the ruby coming from Burma, sapphire from Sri Lanka, emerald from Zambia and Colombia.
Oh, from
And
Colombia.
this is Indian ruby. That's
Wow.
we have a labradorite, yellow topaz, kyanite, amethyst coming from Brazil. This is ruby, emerald, sapphire, yellow sapphire.
Very nice.
And now I show you the setted jewelry, please. This is our setted jewelry section. Here we have all the stone after the cutting and polishing. We made them like cutting polish like that.
Beautiful.
Then we do this certified laboratory, all setted like this.
What about if you're planning to get married? Do you do like a wedding rings?
Yeah, we do also wedding rings.
Okay.
Please, I show you this sort of thing. Like we have a wedding rings, everyday use.
I'm asking for a friend.
Yeah, please.
So these are your wedding rings?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
You can use for the wedding every day, no problem. See, that's a simple band they can use for the wedding.
Okay. Hey, don't trade them. It's a bad luck, I heard.
So
Too big, doesn't fit you.
Babe, they have size.
Size we can do it.
Yeah, see?
Doesn't fit, wrong size.
See,
Not today.
He even checked the size for me.
Okay. So now we will go to the Midtown restaurant. It's a rooftop restaurant, so I'm looking forward to this.
Look, here they make the wedding dresses.
Oh, don't tell Sai that. She's gonna get excited.
They are making a wedding dress.
Beautiful.
Don't you want to wear it?
No, I don't want to
Look,
wear
here
a wedding
they,
dress.
they make also the turban like this.
Okay.
It's a Rajasthan. You want to put it on?
Oh,
Just
it
have a
matches your
picture.
pants.
And this for the man?
No, this everybody can use it.
Ah,
It's multi-purpose.
it's matching my dress.
Yes.
So cool.
You can also try that.
Okay. It looks like I'm going to be getting married. It doesn't fit my head properly.
This way?
It's very round.
Yeah.
Okay. How do I look? You're laughing. I look funny? Doesn't go with my
Doesn't
t-shirt?
go with your t-shirt.
Okay, wrong
The
color.
black one.
Yeah, very tight lifts. You can get very up close and personal in the lift.
And I can annoy him so easy.
We can eat Indian food.
So back on the rooftop to the restaurant. You can put the chairs over here. You can even sit up there, but it's very hot. It'll be very nice.
757.
We're gonna sit over here. Okay, so we've come to this rooftop restaurant called Midtown. We've ordered some drinks to start with. What do you get, Si?
I got a watermelon juice.
Watermelon juice, and I got a can in tinfoil. This is not Kingfisher. This is not beer. Trust me, it's not beer.
It's not beer.
So not allowed to serve alcohol here, I think. So the food has arrived. It's all vegetarian food here, and we got a butter masala here with naan bread. And it is looking good. What do we got here?
I don't know what this one. I forgot the name.
Thali.
Thali?
Rajasthani thali they call it.
Everything. A little bit of everything.
So you're gonna try
Can I
your
try?
first thali? Let's eat. Where do you start with a big plate like this?
I
That's
want
the
to start
question.
with you.
Start with yours. You leave my food alone.
This one is sour.
The waiter is looking at you like you're doing it
It's okay,
all wrong. You're doing it all wrong. How do we eat this properly?
Oh!
What is the best way to eat? We just dip the...
Look, I like this one. What is this one?
This one is besan. Besan so Indian favorite sweet dish. So it's all food is Jaipur favorite.
Ah.
So it's gulab jamun.
What is this one?
Gulab jamun is sweet dessert.
Cut like this?
Yeah.
Is this sweet or?
Yeah, sweet. So check one.
And you mix it with the bread or eat like that?
This one's sweet.
Yeah.
Was this dessert?
Gulab jamun. Jaipur is favorite sweet gulab jamun.
It tastes so good. Tastes sweet.
Yeah.
And this one?
So it's pickles is carrot sangri. So it's pickles. So onion potato.
Ah. I like this one.
Yeah, like.
So good.
Yeah.
Thank you. And then I eat with this.
So it's tandoori means. So it's papadam.
Papadam's good. Have you had papadam before?
No.
Try it. So good. It's crispy.
And then dip it in bread.
As you like.
As I like.
Nice?
Yeah, so good. Yeah. And the thing is, it's vegetarian.
Yeah.
All vegetarian. No chicken, no mutton. All vegetarian.
Wow. I didn't know that vegetarian can taste this good. Thank you.
Okay, so we have arrived at the Hawa Mahal. It's very impressive. Mahal.
Hawa Mahal.
Beautiful. It's gonna smack the monkey. Oh. Yeah.
Oh my god, you almost.
He doesn't like the monkey here. Oh. Whoa. You're gonna smack it. Yeah, he's so upset with the monkey. Man versus monkey. Okay, so we arrived at Galta, also known as Monkey Temple. Soon they won't have monkeys if that guy's around here any longer. He's scaring the monkeys around. So we're walking in. Yeah, there's monkeys everywhere.
Hello sir, you feed the monkey food like monkey peanut.
Ah, no,
Many
we
people
don't
like a good karma.
We don't want to
Yes,
feed it.
this is palace only monkey food.
You want to feed the monkey? They're going to come all over you. Oh, you got food. I told you, you shouldn't have bought the food.
You say I have food?
He wants it now.
You want it now?
Okay, let's go. It's got
Oh,
itchy
he's
foot.
crying. Okay, here. Oh, no.
You're going to take it off you. Okay.
No?
You wanted to buy the food, huh?
Okay, give it.
No more food.
No.
The feeding is done.
It was like, oh, this one was a cute one. You bully.
I knew once you get the food, that's
This
it.
is a bully. Hi. She was like, oh, you don't have food. That monkey is such a bully.
There was no way I was holding the food.
It's big. It was like a baby monkey. I wasn't afraid. It was like cutting my legs and I'm like, give me your food. And I was giving on the floor. I was like, no, girl. I see the backpack. I see like the packets of bean on your hand. I was like, give it more. And it wouldn't let me go.
The man said it was good karma.
Hey, liar.
He's a liar. He's a good salesman.
It was like me only like 10 steps and I had to throw everything away. I had to let him go. Peanut, you wouldn't have it. I bought a peanut but the monkey downstairs still. He would not let me go. Yeah? Would you take that back from him? The little monkey? Little monkey? Your butt itchy?
Where's his peanut?
Little monkey? The peanut was downstairs. Another monkey stole it from me. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, you got big brother bully you. Hey.
They're fighting for the camera.
Hi.
Okay, that look, it's time to walk. Keep moving. Okay, we just made it down. It's probably a 1 kilometer walk.
Yeah.
You gotta walk up the hill and then down. So this is what they call the Gauta. Just look at this place. How do you like it?
I love it.
So we finally made it to the top. Man, it's a lot of cardio. From the bottom to the Gauta to up to the monkey temple to watch the sunset is
We burn our lunch.
it's crazy. So now we're just gonna watch the sunset, finish the day. I don't think there's any other better way to finish the day than watch the sunset. So until next time, dream bigger, much sooner. Peace. Random guy walking with an axe.
That's not what I expect. I want to see that when I walk alone.
The axe.